Marty Rogers here at DuPageangler.com. I hit a couple of ponds this morning. Kind of looked desolate. Not too much mini fish along shore. I tried everything. Slow Booyah spinner, and I'm starting to get some taps. I just caught a little one over there, but this is starting to be one of my go-to baits. I never thought it would happen. I wasn't much of a spinner guy, but hey, I'm liking it. And thanks to a lot of the members in the forums that kind of persuaded me about spinners. Hey, I used to use beetle spins when I was a kid, but that was about it. And meth, and a few meth, muscle killers and that. But anyway, let's go see what else we can do. It's not that little bass, but it's exciting for me. Like I said, Booyah spinners are starting to be my go-to bait. This is very, very good news. Thank you, Booyah. Thank you for trusting in us. We're going to try your lures all summer long. We're going to write about them. And we're giving some of these Booyahs away, my friends. I love it. DuPageangler.com.